Hey, what's up guys? It's your guy JD guys, and since I promised that I'm gonna be uploading videos on YouTube, I guess the time has come now guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like I said, I'm gonna be uploading maybe every day in a week, okay? So remember, these videos guys are just for educational purposes only. These are not financial advices, okay? So trading FX on margin is risky and 70% of investors end up losing their money. So whenever you're about to partake in this, make sure that whatever you're putting in is something that you're willing to lose, okay? So before you take the knowledge that I'm gonna be like giving you now here and use it for your own benefits, remember guys, this is not a beginner's video, okay? This is for more advanced traders, okay? So again, if you want me to cover some beginner stuff, just leave a comment below on this video, and also what you didn't understand while I was busy working on the video, just leave a comment below so that on the following one we'll get to elaborate more on that, okay? So without wasting time guys, let's jump into it, okay? So today we're gonna be making an analysis guys, or doing an analysis on Nasdaq is one of the fastest growing indices, okay? So when I say it's the one of the fastest growing indices, is because it's forever buying, okay? As you can see, Nasdaq has been buying forever. I'm not saying that Nasdaq doesn't have the time that it's going down, it does, but it barely go down for a long period, okay? So this is the only longest period that we've ever seen Nasdaq going down there. And the reason why Nasdaq doesn't go down that much is because it's backed by tech giants companies. We're talking about 100 of US tech companies, okay? And we have some specials one which they do really dictate where Nasdaq points every day, okay? So we have tech companies known as the Magnificent Seven. On that, we're gonna be looking at Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and not to forget AMD. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, let's jump into it and check. Okay, so like I said, guys, on Nasdaq, whenever you see a sharp move down like this, it's most likely a consolidation. When if you take your Fibonacci and you put it on the beginning of that impulsive move and where it ended and start consolidating going down, you can see the consolidation will always end at the 61% of your Fibonacci retracement. Sometimes 50%. If it's too steep, it's gonna end at 78.60%. Okay, but what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go ahead and mark that as our low, and I was gonna be marking this as our all-time high if it was last year, but this year we know that we only have this level here now as our all-time high. Okay, it's the level that we're gonna be looking to break above, and then we know that the rally up on Nasdaq has begun. Okay, and then this is also gonna be my low that I'm gonna be marking now on Nasdaq. So I'm gonna mark this as my support, my internal support there. Okay, so after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check my trends. Remember, I'm gonna start drawing my trend down here on the area that I marked as my support down here, going all the way up, and then making sure that I cater for most touches. When I'm done, I clone that guys, and then I bring the same thing above. Okay, that's how simple it is. Okay, so after that, what I do, I go down on a weekly time frame and I check where I can adjust, and I see that I need to just bring this a bit lower. There, that's perfect. Okay, so after looking at this, I can see that my weekly time frame is nothing that I need to check on. Everything is covered here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna move deep down on a daily time frame. Okay, so on our daily time frame guys, some of us caught this buy when the market reversed and then started pushing up. It's just that we jumped out after noticing this reversal happening there. Okay, so we knew it because of this floor that we had here. Okay, we had multiple touches on this floor here, so we're not gonna let it pass so simple. Okay, so the reason why I said we jumped out, we saw this reversal here happening on this zone, and then we remember that this target zone that we on Nasdaq also, So until we break above there, we are not yet at the out. We need to buy majorly. That's when we're gonna start adding more positions when we are above here. Okay, although we caught a position down here, and the reason of that position that we caught down here, it was because of, if we put our Fibonacci from the impulse move there and the beginning of the correction, we can see that the market just came and hit right through our 6-1% of the Fibonacci retracement, which is that zone there. So if we go ahead and remove this, you can see that's where the market hits there. Okay, so we're looking for buys from there. Okay, so from here we knew that we're gonna have to look for a buy, because if you take your trend also and you check, the market was just retesting the break of this internal structure here that we formed during our consolidation going down here. Okay, in this internal structure break here, so that we can start pushing back up again. Okay, so if we go down to 4 hours, we're gonna be seeing the same thing happening here on the outside one there. So if you take your trend, you put your result here, you can see that we had a bit of a price action happening here before we break above this area here. Okay, and we have another major horizontal resistance, which is here on this zone here. Okay, so what I believe that we can be watching this coming week, before we continue with the buys or adding more trades, some of us, we're gonna be watching something which is gonna happen in between this price. Okay, for me personally, I believe that we won't just continuously move up and shoot and break this level and retest on it. I believe that we're gonna reject here first, come back down here, since we have this major zone here. After tapping and retesting on this structure, because of this break of this structure here, that's when I believe that we can see the index going back up and continuously buying to the upside. Because even if we scale down to 2 hours or 1 hour time frame, you can still be seeing the same thing that I'm talking about, that throughout this coming week, guys, all we're going to be focusing on is the consolidation, which is going to be pushing up, and then we buy from here going up. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Anything that you feel like I left out, just comment it below, and then guys, I will cover everything that you're gonna comment below this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then I will see you on the next video.